Nightmare, 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 nightmare.
I've learned to walk around inside my own head. Now, that may sound silly to you, but it's been very, very helpful to me. Let me show you how it's done, in case you want to try it. Now, when you first come to the brain, you have to pass through the medulla oblongata. That's where things like breathing and heartbeat and glands are controlled. It's kind of like plumbing. It's not very interesting. But if you keep going, you cross into the cerebrum, and that's where all your thoughts are. You know, when I first came to my cerebrum here, there were thoughts scattered all over. The place was a mess. Old mathematical formula, bits of poetry, and telephone numbers were all mixed up together. It was terrible. Over the years, I've been able to organize.
There's no earthly way of knowing
He's singing.
which direction we are going. There's no knowing where we're rowing or which way the river's flowing. Is it raining? Is it snowing? Is a hurricane a-blowing? Not a speck of light is showing, so the danger must be growing. Are the fires of hell a-glowing? Is the grisly reaper mowing? Yes! The danger must be growing, for the rowers keep on rowing, and they're certainly not showing any signs that they are slowing!
Make him stop, Daddy! Hey, hey, hey.
Until at last, Pooh fell fast asleep and began to dream.
Heffalumps and oodles, heffalumps and oodles, steal honey. Beware, beware.
They're black. They're brown. They're up.
They're down.
They're in. They're out. They're all about. They're far. They're near. They're gone. They're here. They're quick and slick. They're insincere. Beware, 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 beware. A heffalump or woozle is very confusal. The heffalump or woozle's very sly. Sly.
Sly.
They come in ones and twosles, but if they so choosles, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. Fly.
Fly.
They're extraordinary, so better be wary, because they come in every shape and size.
Size.
If honey's what you covet, you'll find that they love it, because they guzzle up the thing you prize. They're green, they're blue, they're... Blood on the sand and blood all around and the reaping of blood on the ground.
Mary, you won't let go of me. Oh, yeah. Bring out the olive.
This version tracks the limousine and maintains President Kennedy and Governor Connally as center frame. This version is only in slow motion.
Shay? Are you still doing that hand thing? I heard you're doing the hand thing today. God, what is that? Shay, what is it? Hood. You've been doing this for 24/7. Shay, you've been doing the hand thing all day? Heard you were. Jordan told me you had been doing it on a sleeping bag earlier. Hood.
There are no faces. There are no faces. There are no faces. There are no faces.
Help me! Please! Help me! Help me! Call him Meatloaf Jack!
And then we asked the mother to not respond to the baby.
The baby very quickly picks up on this, and then she uses all of her abilities to try and get the mother back. She smiles at the mother. She points because she's used to the mother looking where she points. The baby puts both hands up in front of her and says, "What's happening here?" She makes that screechy sound at the mother, like, "Come on, why aren't we doing this?" Even in this 2 minutes, when they don't get the normal reaction, they react with negative emotions, they turn away, they feel the stress of it. They actually may lose control of their posture because of the stress that they're experiencing.
Children, where are you? I know you're here somewhere.